Join us on our exploration of the captivating world of Rohu fish farming, where the quest for sustainable aquaculture meets the allure of a unique and flavorful fish. Come along as we delve into the fascinating journey of Rohu fish farming and discover the exciting potential it offers. Rohu fish farming is a unique and innovative approach to sustainable aquaculture that offers a variety of benefits. This fish species is not only rich in nutrients and flavor but also has the potential to contribute to the growth of local economies and the environment. Rohu fish are a freshwater species that thrive in well-managed ponds and aquaculture systems. They are known for their fast growth rate, high reproductive capacity, and adaptability to different environments. Building and managing a successful Rohu fish farm involves careful planning and execution. Farmers must ensure that the ponds are properly constructed, stocked with the right fish, and maintained to promote optimal growth and health. Ensuring proper feeding and nutrition for Rohu fish is crucial for their growth and productivity. Farmers must provide a balanced diet that meets the fish's nutritional needs and supports their overall health. Harvesting and marketing Rohu fish is a critical aspect of the farming process. Farmers must understand their target market, pricing strategies, and distribution channels to effectively sell their fish and maximize their profits. Ensuring the sustainability and ethics of Rohu fish farming is crucial for the well-being of the fish and the environment. This involves responsible collection practices, respect for the fish's natural habitats, and the support of local communities. The future of Rohu fish farming is bright, with ongoing research and innovation driving new discoveries and applications. As the world continues to explore the potential of this unique fish species, the possibilities for sustainable and profitable farming are truly endless. As you embark on this fascinating journey into the world of Rohu fish farming, embrace the challenges and rewards of cultivating these captivating creatures. With the right knowledge, tools, and dedication, you can create a thriving and sustainable fish farm that contributes to the growth of your local community and the environment. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey towards successful farming. Thank you for watching.